Hey, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell for future notifications of all other videos. Well, now you got me dancing.
Oh, damn, I should have grabbed the car, so I could have made it home faster. To see, Monday, Friday. Why'd I do this again? I should have grabbed the car. I should have grabbed the car.
So today, and Fun Day Friday, and it is fun to me to work on things. I like working with my hands. So to me, this is a Fun Day Friday thing going into the weekend. So today's video is about my child breaking their Beats headphones. And I don't know how many of you, but I know pretty much a lot of you already know the cost of how much it would be to replace these things. And I'll show it here on the screen in a minute. But I'm always thinking about how I can save money, as you know, on my Monday talks, which I will present the same topic again this coming Monday or the following Monday, whichever one. But their thought was, oh, it's broken. I just want to buy new ones. Well, it's always easy to say, I just want to buy new ones when you're a kid and it doesn't come out of your pocket. I'm not that type of person. Even if I had millions of dollars to just say, oh yeah, let's go ahead and buy it. I'm not, like I said, I'm cheap. I'm that type of person who's like, hey, if the headphones part still works, the speakers still work, and they still look good, and the only part that's broken is something that can be fixed relatively in like least expensive compared to buying something new, that's the type of person I am. I will fix it to save money rather than just to waste money. So again, this Friday Fun Day is about fixing my child's Beats or Apple Beats or whatever you want to call them now, but they're Beats headphones. Let's get into it.
Okay, hello again. Here we are. We're going to repair or try to repair some broken Beats headphones. Child broke them. These are theirs. And instead of paying another $200 something, we're going to see. I bought a new band here on Amazon. I've seen somebody do it before. Same color. Looks like it's the same size as well. Yep, same color, same size. I'm going to replace this because I believe, yep, this is the part. This part right here is this part which is broken on these. So let's get to it. So what I gotta do, let's see if you can see this. Let me stand up and show you. See if I can really get in here. Or to remove this screw and this screw here to get it off of here. So let me do that first. Okay. Oh, let me turn it this way. It is a little difficult to see because the angle on these. Whoops. Tool down. Hold on. Tool recovered. Okay. This thing's on kind of tight. Let's see here. Let me try to get my other tool bit. Hold on. Well, I thought I had my little, it was a screwdriver I had bought for small electronics. and I misplaced it somewhere. So, well, let's get back to what I was doing here by hand. So, I got one piece out. Bear probably can't really see it, but this came out. It might be easier too if I take, because this just snaps off here. Oh, this snaps off like so. Let me just see, it just pulls off like that. Let me, that doesn't come off like that easy. So I have to take this off first. It's held in by the rubber, by the screws. And these little screws are in tight. Tight. And you don't want to lose them because they're so small. If they fall out, you're in trouble. There we go. Okay. See how this comes off. Oh, there we go. I wondering how this snaps off and snaps on. That just snaps off like that. As you can see, it just is part of the cushion thing. This cushion thing here. Feels like some type of glue too, because my hands are feeling a little sticky. Maybe it's this cord. Yeah, it's for the cord. Anyway, let me snap this back in. Oh, make sure I got that in like that. Yeah, this just like rides a little rail in here. I'm gonna make sure that you get this on there properly. Snap it on so it rides the rail properly. Then you take your rubber piece back here. Put that back in like so. And I forgot, I didn't finish taking out the screw here. There we go. Get that last piece of plastic piece out. Screw these back down. To the next other side here. There's like little tabs here that when you're doing this, you gotta push in these things right here. You probably can't really see them, but hold on. See how these right here. Let me see if I can see if I'm doing this right. You gotta push these around the cable here. You just feed this up into the little holes in there, and then you just screw this on. Almost lost the tool again. it came out. And whatever's in this track, it's making it like really slippery. Look at this. I mean, it's like really slippery. Okay. What this stuff is. Still smell it. My hands aren't really stinky, so. But I don't know what this stuff is. Okay, so I got them on. Got the screws on, and now I'm just putting the rubber thing, lining it back up into the slot here. There we go. Let's try to line them up here again. And there you go. All put together again. All the king's horses and all the king's men put these Beats headphones back together again. And again, here's the broken one. With the screws. Oops, drop it off. Not the screws, but the tabs where the screws go in. Yep, must have broke off right around there. My hands are still a little, I don't know what was on this thing, but my hands are like really greasy. Really, really greasy. But this little piece here, where the screws in there. Let me see if I can get this to show where the screws in there. This piece broke off right here, which was this area here where the screws, as you can see, where the screws screw in. Broke off right there, but now they're all set. Ready to rock and roll.
I'm looking at these prices like, what? Thank you for watching this video. And I would like to also say thank you for watching any or all of my videos that I have put out there in the past. I would like for you to look at some shorts that I have created. I hope they are funny to you. I hope they bring you some laughter and some joy. I hope all of my videos I've posted out here for you on YouTube have brought you some enlightenment, have enriched your life, have did some type of positive impact for you. If you would like to watch any of my past videos or a video I mentioned in this video, click here and here. Or if you would like to subscribe, click here. With that, thank you for watching. And until our next video, see ya.